All right, hello, good evening, everybody. All right, now, so sorry about the errors. I think there's been some updates on the Google Chrome. All right, so new permissions have to be granted, and I can't figure it out. So I've actually gone ahead and used a different browser, all right, to run tonight's session live with all of you. All right, so there might be some little hiccups over here, right, but please bear with me. All right, and then I'll try to get things sorted out. Okay, all right, now. So, Jimmy, yes. All right, now thank you for coming back. All right, now, so without further ado, let's get our session started. Okay. All right, now, so I will be jumping around the screens. All right, so please bear with me. All right, as we go along. All right, now, so let's get to the market setup first. Okay. All right, now, so let's look at the markets. All right, and what do I think? All right, about the markets at the moment. All right, now, so let me switch out the screens. Give me a minute. All right, there we go. Okay, all right, now, so if you're joining us for the first time over here, all right, it would be great if you can go to the website, www.streamyard.com/Facebook, all right, and then you'll see a Facebook blue color button, all right, hit on it, all right, and then we can see your profile when you're leaving comments, okay? All right, now, so, all right, now, Facebook user. All right, now, if you're asking a question relating to strategies that we're doing, all right, please send an email to us. All right, okay, do not leave it in the public session over here. All right, now, so I'm going to keep it to the agenda, all right, which means portfolio cash on Fridays, all right, are meant, all right, for the people, all right, who are basically the general public, all right, who are joining me in our public Facebook groups. Right now, so this is a little bit of an education segment, right, where we can show you, right, simple option sell strategies, right, where you can build your portfolios, right, in pretty much non-time consuming manners, right, and still be able to generate 10 to 20% per annum returns, right, on a consistent basis. Right now, we've been doing it for more than a year now. Right, we're still building this portfolio live together with all of you. All right, as often as weekly as we can. All right, barring some schedule conflicts. Okay. All right, now, so today's session. All right, let's go to the markets right now and let's see what's in store. All right, now, so let me switch out. All right, now, so we are back on the SPY. What's going on? Oh, well, seems like all my hardware is definitely not friendly with me today. Oh, man. There we are. All right, now we got it back. All right, now, so all I wanted to show all of you over here is pretty much this. All right, now, this is the SPY chart, which is the S&P 500 index. All right, now, this is the ETF stock version. All right, now, and with that, all right, let's get to it. All right, the market is still moving in what we call the downward channel. All right, now, so in this downward channel over here, all right, it is very, very, balanced. All right, now, so market is trading pretty much in this downward channel. Right, today we are hitting the top of this channel. Right now, so we may start to see a reversal happen again. Right, and that may bring the S&P back down. All right, towards this bottom. Right, and the next bottom could be as low as 4,000's level. Right now, would that play out? Nobody knows. Right, but it's definitely trading at the resistance level. Right, which clearly shows yesterday. All right, and today we are not able to break that. Okay, but of course, if we break that over here, the next resistance is going to be at 4,450. Right now, so that's why I expect out of the markets. Right, but in general, I still see the markets capped between 4,150 levels to 4,450. Right, that is the zone, right, that's capturing the markets right now at this very moment. Right, barring any breakouts, right, on either side, right, that's going to be the main theme, right, of the market index. Right now, so without further ado, let's get to our stocks over here. Right now, so I've got to switch around again. All right, now, so let me try to see if switching around the screen, all right, works this time. All right, because it was very laggy earlier. Okay, All right now, so what you're seeing right now is the portfolio. All right now, so we own 300 shares of eBay right now, right, at a cost price of about $58. All right now, so let's take advantage of this, right, and let's see if we can add a call option today. All right now, so what I want to do is I want to see if I'm able to add a call option today, all right, to be able to pocket some premiums. All right now, so hang on for a minute. All right, my data is loading. All right, now, so there's no lag. All right, so it's looking fine. All right, I'm not sure if it's clear enough on your end. All right, now let me try to see if I can make this bigger. It's already large. Oh my goodness. All right, now this is as best I can do. All right, now it seems like the fault is with the resolutions of the browser, all right, which I'm using today. All right, now, so let's get to it. All right, now let's see what we can gather, all right, on eBay, all right, over the next 2 weeks, okay? All right, now, so I'm looking to sell a 2 weeks call option, all right, and let's take the 59, shall we? All right, so $59 call will give me a little bit of profits, all right, and also, right, be able to capture some gains. But the premiums, all right, are not liquid enough. No, it's not liquid enough. All right, now, so let's go to 14 April. Let's do this for a month. All right, now, so let's get to the 60 strike over here. All right, now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to sell, all right, the $60 call option on my eBay stock, right, for about 70. All right, the last time is about 73. All right, so let me go ahead and try 75 right now, all right, and see if I can get it done, okay? All right, now, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get it at 75, okay? All right, now, give me a minute, everybody. I've sent it out. All right, it doesn't want to get filled. Right now, so let me go ahead and try to see. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. Now, so 73 cents. All right, will get us done. So I just want to verify with all of you. Right now, so as all of you can see over here, hang on for a minute. All right, there we are. Right now, eBay 14th of April, $60 call. Right, I sold 3 of them, right, for 73 cents. Right, so it's done for 73 cents over here. Right now, so I've added some income, right, to this. Right now, buzzing from my mic. Give me a minute. There isn't actually. It might be all down to the browser. Oh man, this is really not working out today. Oh well. Give me a minute. I'll try to see if is this better, everybody? Now okay? All right, now, so if it's okay, then all good. All right, I had to take off the echo cancellation function, apparently. So the echo cancellation created the echo. No, it's not. It's not, Nelson. It's not the mic. It is the StreamYard software itself. Oh well. All right, now. So anyway, all right. Let's get to the bottom of things. All right, we added a $60 call option. All right, on our eBay over here. Oh man, you can get it for 75 right now. All right, now, so I added it for 73. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and record it down. All right, now, so we add a call option over here. All right, now, so call. All right, let me just put it down. All right, so I sold 3 eBay call options over here, expiring on 14th of April. all right, a $60 call option. All right, I did it today. All right, so today is the 18th of March. All right, and we collected 75 cents. No, 73 cents. All right, now, so, all right, this is gonna pay me $219 in cash flow. All right, okay, and all right, it doesn't require any more capital because right now I own 300 shares of eBay, right, at $60 a piece. All right, so come 14 April, all right, come 14 April over here. All right, now, so if nothing happens, all right, okay, if nothing happens, all right, now we will continue to sell another call option, right? But if eBay stock goes back above 60, right, my stock will get taken away from me, right? But I'll still be able to end up with a profit, right, of $1.69 for the portfolio puts, right, plus the 73 cents which I'm collecting today. Right, so that's still pretty good over here. All right, so no problem. All right, now next one over here. Jimmy, payback for last week, amazing. All right, but I know some securities, so it's restricting some of the functions, reaccessing my screens. That's why I wasn't able to share any screens at all. All right, I couldn't figure it out. Right, but let's get on to the session. All right, now our next trade over here is on Facebook. All right, so we have Facebook over here. All right, and there we go. Let's pull it down. All right, now, so Facebook today is trading at $212. All right, we have a $230 put. All right, so the stock has rebounded. That is good for us. Yeah, all right, but we still have some time to go. All right, so no management action required on this. Okay, all right, no management action required on this. All right, now, next one over here is gonna be Pfizer. All right, now, so Pfizer, we have the $50 put, which expires on 18th of March. So that's expiring today. All right, now let's look at the trade. All right, there we are. All right, now, so this is the trade that we have. We can close it by paying for 1 cent today. All right, and that's what I'm gonna do. All right, now, so some of you will be asking, Terence, why don't you leave it to expire worthless? There's a simple reason. All right, by closing it, all right, oh, wait a minute. Let me check first. Yeah, all right, I need to close it today because I need to free up my OBP, all right, which is basically my commitment of capital, right, in my trade positions. The buzzing is coming back. Oh, man. All right, it's something to do with the browser. All right, is it better? Okay, all right, now, so I hope the sound is better over here. I'm trying to manage the session and the platform at the same time. All right, now, so I'm gonna close this, all right, because I need to free up $15,000 of my capital. All right, so I'll be able to open up a new trade with this capital. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so we're gonna close this position for 1 cent. All right, as the market closes this. All right, now, so I'm putting with 17 or 17 trade. So that's a pretty good trade over there. Yeah, so that frees up my capital requirement. All right, so I have capital to use for today's new trades. All right, so that's also a winning trade today. All right, and we entered this on the 11th of Feb. So that's about 1 week. 1 month. All right, this trade took us about 1 month. All right, and we generated $400. Now, next trade, right? Intel. All right, so we have an Intel $46 puts as well, expiring today. All right, now, so Intel $46 puts. All right, let's go have a look. Right, Intel is trading at $47 today. All right, so the $46 puts, which expires today, all right, can be closed for 3 cents right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. All right, okay, so go ahead and do that as well. All right, and we'll pay 3 cents, all right, to close this trade today. All right, now, so that will pay us $336 in cash flow. All right, so a good trade as well. All right, now this trade lasted about 3 weeks. All right, now, so it's a good trade. All right, and we took it. All right, another winner. Now, next one, HIMX. All right, now, so we have an $11 put, which expires tonight. All right, now, HIMX. All right, now, so it's 11.68. All right, so it's another stock which is going to expire worthless today. All right, now, so this one, all right, I'm going to leave it to expire. All right, why? Because, all right, it doesn't take up much capital. It's a very, very cheap stock. All right, so it only takes up $3,000 of my capital. All All right, so I can even open up a new trade on this, all right, without having to close it. But it pays me 70 cents, everybody. All right, so this trade is going to expire worthless when market closes today. All right, and we'll capture the full premiums. All right, so that's $210. All right, now, so all good. All right, another winner, right, by market close today. All right, now, next one over here, all right, WBA, we have a 14 April 45 puts, all right, for $1.60. All right, so where's WBA today? All right, so we have the 14 April puts, all right, $45. That is trading about 110 right now. All right, so that's about 50 cents in profits, all right, 50 cents in profit for about 2 weeks. All right, so I'm going to hang on to this. All right, still a good trade. Now, the last one that we have right now is Abercrombie and Fitch, which we opened 2 weeks ago as well. All right, so this is an April $27 put. All right, so we collected $130 for this. Let's look at how much it's worth today. All right, so ANF has shot back up. All right, so this should put us in a good profiting position. 27 puts. All right, it's only 40 cents today. All right, now, so I'm going to close this trade because I've captured the bulk of the premiums. So I'm going to pay 35 cents, right, and try to get this trade closed right now. All right, so let me go ahead and do this. There we go. All right, it's closed. All right, so let me pull the platform over right now. So Abercrombie and Fitch over here, April 27 puts. We bought 3 of them back at 35 cents. All right, so this is officially closed over here. Yeah. All right, now, so let's record it down. All right, so 35 cents. All right, another winner, $285 in 2 weeks. All right, ain't that bad. All right, so we freed up, all right, another margin. All right, now, so we closed up some good winners today. Some of them are expiring, all right, but we closed them up and free up our capital. So now my portfolio is only exposed, all right, a total capital of $75,000. So I can go ahead right now and start opening up some new trades, and I'm gonna do so. All right, now the first trade I'm gonna do over here, all right, is pretty much a putback. All right, now what do I mean by a putback? All right, now we traded Intel, all right, and I'm going back to Intel again, all right, for a second round of income. All right, now, so I'm going to sell next month's Intel, all right, $45 puts, all right, at 73 cents, all right, okay, now, so I'm going to try to capture this premium right now, all right, so let's go ahead and do this, all right, Intel. I'm going to sell 3 options over here. Oops. All right, we're done. All right, now, so I sold 3 Intel over here. All right, 3 Intel April 14, $45 puts. All right, 3 of them for 73 cents. All right, so this order and this trade is also done right now. All right, now, so let's go ahead and fill up the blanks. All right, so Intel, all right, we have reopened this. All right, so this is trade 97. We're closing up on trade 100 over here for our portfolio together. All right, so 14 of April. All right, $45 puts. All right, we're doing it today. All right, for 73 cents. All right, now, so to do this trade over here, all right, I need to set aside a capital of, no, it's definitely not. Is it that? Yep, a capital of, yes, it is. All right, capital of $13,500. Yeah, all right, now, it's the same strike as WBA, all right, so it's the same capital. All right, now, so I'm setting aside a capital of $13,500 just in case I have to pick up 300 shares of Intel at $45 a share. right now. So let's go calculate the ROI on this trade, right? Equals to 73 cents divided by, right, the cost of capital, which is $45. So it pays me 1.6%, right, for an option, right, that expires in 7/14/21/28. That's 4 weeks, right? Okay, 4 weeks, right? So let's annualize this, right? It's a 4-week option, right? So it's 21% annualized return. So it still hits our target. Right? This trade over here, right? So we just added $200 or $219 in cash flow, right, for our portfolio, right? Let's go on to the next one, right? Now the next one is another putback. All right, now, so I'm going to put back the trade on HIMX again. All right, now, so I'm going to put back a trade on HIMX. All right, and I'm going to do this. All right, I'm going to go 2 weekly right now. All right, so I'm going to capture 25 cents. All right, on HIMX $11 puts. Yeah, all right, now, so let's go on HIMX. All right, some of you are jumping me. All right, some of you are collecting 25 cents ahead of me. All right, now, so that's okay. All right, now let's see if we can get it. All right, all right, we'll queue for it, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and queue for it. All right, because the last done is actually 25 cents. All right, so let's go ahead and try to put ourselves on a queue. All right, now, so my order is in. All right, I'm just waiting for it to get filled right now. Okay, it hasn't done so yet. Okay, now the next one over here, all right, what else did we close today? We closed Pfizer, we closed Intel, we closed Abercrombie. All right, I've added Intel. I'm trying to add HIMX. All right, I haven't gotten Pfizer. All right, no, I'm not gonna add Pfizer or Abercrombie because both of them, all right, have already ran off. All right, now hang on for a minute. Let me try to get hold of the sound again. All right, I have no idea what's going on. All right, but let's hope next week, all right, when I sort out the issues with Google Chrome, all right, it's going to be much better. Okay. All right, now, so next up over here, all right, I do want to add up one more trade, all right, now, and give me a minute. All right, now, so the last trade that I want to add today, all right, is again another go back to. All right, now, what do I mean by go back to? All right, I'm going back into Brinker, all right, a restaurant-based company, right? Okay, now we traded it sometime back, all right? The stock is trading at 11 PE today, right? So if you look at these valuations, right, you realize that it's still trading undervalued, right? Okay, it has a 5-year average of 16 PE, right? And the stock is at 11 right now, right? So looking at the chart, right, we entered somewhere over here. I believe the stock shot back up, and now it's dropped back down to almost the same level, right? So I'm more than happy to get myself back in there. All right, okay, now, right? So I think, all right, now, so for high, now, so for high, next over here, we're doing 2 weeks option, so that's option. So I believe, which one? I believe it's the first, right? $11, right? For 25 cents. Okay, my order is not done yet. Okay, all right, now, so E8, bring right 14. Okay, 14, April, right, 14 April. All right, I'm done. All right, now, so I went with April 14. for $35 puts, all right? $35 puts. I sold 3 of them for $195. All right, so my order is done. All right, so I got it done at $195 over here. All right, now, so let's go ahead and record this down as well. All right, and see where we are at. All right, now, so trade number 98. 98, Brinker. 14 April, this is gonna be $35 puts. All right, traded today for $195. All right, so it's gonna pay me $585 in cash flow. Right, and that requires a capital of $10,500. All right, so $10,500 in capital, right, tied up on it. All right, now, so that's it. All right, let's calculate the ROIs. All right, 195 on a capital of $35. That's a 5% trade. All right, now, so this trade is going to pay me 72% annualized. Right, this is going to help us pull up, right, the portfolio returns. All right, so it's going to be one of those really, really high returns over here. All right, for some of the trades. All right, so I got in on Brinker. All right, my total capital exposure is back to $100,000 on a portfolio that is worth $120,000 right now. So I'm around about 80% exposed, right, in the markets amidst a correction phase, right? But as many of you have seen, right, this is, right, a direction that has served us very well. Right, okay, continuing to pocket cash flows, right, on great profitable companies, right, that are undervalued by the markets right now, right? I did say 2022 is going to be a value-driven stock year, right, okay, but it doesn't mean that the stocks, right, these kind of stocks are going to shoot up, right, but something is going to happen, right, and that is they are very unlikely to fall that much further, right, because they have already fallen by so much, right? So by selling put options on portfolio puts and setting aside the capital needed, right, to pick up those stocks, right, in case something goes wrong, right, is one that works very well at this moment right now. So that is all the trades I'm going to get, right? And let's look ahead. Let's look into 100 trade marks Friday together. Right? Okay, so hopefully y'all be able to find trades. Or Hymex gets, right? And we should be on our trade 100 together next Friday. Right now. So right now, sound is bad. I apologize for that. I was a little bit lagging because of my browser. I'm using state of Google, right? Which has issues for my stream platform today. Right now, I apologize for technical errors. I'm more than happy to take some questions. If any of you have some for me, right? Okay, so before we end off, I'm more than happy to pick up some questions. I sound like a robot. Oh man. For the past 2 minutes. This is how technology can kill us now. Oh well. All right now. So Darth Vader. Oh well. Let's hope next week will be better, yeah? Right now. So Tanya, all right, I hope my sound is good now. So Tanya is asking, all right, why am I choosing a 2-week expiry? Right? Is it because the market is showing signs of recovery? No. Right? It's just that for Hymex, right? Okay, I realized I can pocket premiums, right, for every 2 weeks, right? And the returns, right, are pretty good as well. Okay, now, so I'm looking to sell pennies on Hymex on $11 put strike. So as long as Hymex doesn't go up, right, it has been bouncing between 10.50 to 11.50, right? So every 2 weeks, I'll be able to generate some income, right? Now, so that's why I'm aiming for over here, Tanya. Right? It's not so much of a choice, but it's more about your objectives out of the stock and your objectives out of the particular trade that you're structuring. Oh man, I can't control this. I do apologize for it. All right, but next week, all right, I'm definitely going to get my Google Chrome set back up. It's definitely fluctuating. All right, I'm constantly changing the sound software or the sound settings, right, on the browser itself. All right, it still doesn't help. Okay. All right, now, so without further ado, all right, now, since this week, all right, we have some glitches, we have some errors, all right, so let me do, all right, the announcement of closing up today's session, all right, and once again, I apologize for the technical defaults, right, I will try to sort it out, and we'll be back on the normal Google Chromes, all right, and StreamYard sessions next Friday live, okay? Now, so do join me live next Friday on our Facebook usual Portfolio Cash on Fridays with TT or Terence, right? And I was look forward to adding more cash flows together with all of you. All right, in the meantime, bye for now, all right, and great weekend ahead, okay? Thank you very much for joining me once again tonight, all right, amidst my Darth Vader voice. Bye, everyone, all right, have a good night.